Once upon a quiet night, when the world had slowed down, and the sky was painted with soft, silent stars, there was a small, peaceful village resting beside a calm lake. So what did it not move, not even a little. It simply reflected the moon, like a silver mirror in the dark. In this village, everything happened slowly, very slowly. People walked slowly. They spoke softly. Even the wind moved carefully, as if it did not want to disturb anyone's sleep. In a small wooden house near the lake, there was a gentle light glowing behind the window. Inside this house, someone was resting in a comfortable chair, listening to the quiet sounds of the night. The ticking of a clock, tick, tack, tick, tack. Each sound was low, each sound was calm. Outside, the trees were whispering to one another. Leaves moved gently, branches waved lazily. Nothing rushed, nothing weighed. The May itself seemed sleepy. The air felt warm and safe, like a soft blanket. Around the wall, the person in the chair took a slow breath, in and out, in and out. With every breath, their body felt heavier, more relaxed, more peaceful. Their shoulders dropped, their hands became loose, their eyelids grew warm and tired. Nearby, a small cat was curled up on a cushion, being quietly. Beberre, beberre, be. The sound was gentle, steady, comforting. The moon slowly moved across the sky, as if it was walking on invisible steps. Step by step, very slowly, stars blinked softly, like tiny night lights. No loud noises, no bright lights, no sudden movements. Only calm, only peace, only rest. The village was sleeping, the lake was sleeping, the trees were sleeping, even the clouds were drifting into dreams. And soon, very soon, the person in the chair began to drift too. Thoughts became soft, like floating feathers. Waves faded, like distant echoes. Memories slowed down, like pages turning in a very old book. Page, be page. Each page heavier than the last. Their breathing became deeper, slow, steady, easy, in and out, in and out. Their heart beat gently, like a quiet drum in the distance. Behind them, soft, safe, steady. Outside, the night wrapped the village in darkness, not scary darkness, but kind darkness. The kind that protects, the kind that rests, the kind that whispers. Everything is okay, nothing is wrong. You can sleep now, and slowly, without effort, without thought, without struggle. Sleep behind, like a soft cloud, like a warm hug, like a peaceful way, carrying the mind into dreams, carrying the body into rest, carrying the heart into calm. And in those dreams, there were quiet forests, gentle rivers, and endless peaceful skies. No noise, no stress, no hay, only softness, only comfort, only sleep. And as the night continued, the village remained still, the lake remained calm, the stars remained gentle, and you remained safe, you remained relaxed, you remained asleep. Find yourself now, high on a peaceful mountain, far, far above the bustling cities below. Imagine a small wooden cabin, standing quietly among a forest of tall, ancient pine trees. Here, there is no sound of traffic, no distant voices, no noise at all, only the gentle whisper of the wind that sweeps through the branches, only the silent strength of the trees, only a deep, profound silence that settles over everything like a soft blanket. Let's step inside this cabin. A cozy fireplace glows softly in the corner, its flames casting a warm, orange light that dances gently on the wooden walls. The light moves in a slow, lazy, gentle rhythm, creating soft shadows that sway and stretch. It is a hypnotic dance of warmth and comfort. Notice the white, inviting chair placed near the hearth. A sick, plush blanket is straight over it, waiting just for you. Imagine yourself sinking into the chair now, feeling its soft cushions embrace you. You pull a thick blanket up, tucking it snugly around you. It is a heavy and warm, a comforting weight that helps you feel grounded and secure in your hands. You hold a warm cup of tea. Feel the comforting heat radiating through the mat, warming your palms. You lift the cup, and the steam rises slowly, carrying a saddle. Camina me. Watch it and drift upwards, up and away, disappearing into the air. Listen closely. Can you hear it? The soft, steady ticking of a grandfather clock in the corner. Tick, tack, tick, tack. It is a rhythmic, reassuring sound, a heartbeat for the quiet Kevan. We did tick, the world outside seems to slow down even more. Each sound is slow than the less, drawing you deeper into a state of tranquility. Your own heart begins to match this slow, steady rhythm. Now, turn your attention to the window. Outside, the first flakes of snow have begun to fall. One delicate flake drifts down, then another, then another. They fall silently, without a sound, each one a unique, perfect crystal. They are weightless, peaceful, blanketing the world in a pristine layout by. The pine trees outside are slowly being dusted with snow, their dark green branches turning soft and white. The world is becoming quiet still, muffled by the falling snow. As you watch a silent snowfall, you feel your breathing begin to slow down, taking a long, gentle breath in, and a slow, complete breath out. There is no need to force it. Just allow your body to find it so natural, relaxed rhythm of breathing, in and out. With each exhale, you feel a wave of relaxation washing over your body. Your muscles begin to release their tension. Feel the tightness in your shoulders and neck just melting away. The muscles in your back soften and lengthen. Your arms and legs feel heavy and wonderfully relaxed. Your eyelids are growing heavy. Now, it feels so natural to let them close. Just for a moment, as they gently shut, you can still see the soft, flicking glow of sapphire leaks through your closed lids. The fire whispers its own sleepy song. A soft crackle, a gentle pop, crack, crack. It sounds like a sleepy voice, lulling you into a deep state of rest. The warmth of the fire spreads through a deep, penetrating heat that soothes every part of your being. Out on the mountain, the snow continues to fall, creating a protective air around your little cabin. The mountain itself seems to wrap everything in a feeling of immense safety. Nothing can enter this space. No ways, no responsibilities, no disturbances. This sanctuary is impenetrable. This place belongs only to rest. This place belongs to sleep. You are completely safe, completely secure, held in this peaceful embrace. The chair you are sitting in feels softer now, as if it is molding perfectly to your body. The blanket feels warmer, heavier, a comforting presence that takes you to this moment of pure peace. Your mind, which might have been busy just a short while ago, begins to drift. It floats freely, like a wisp of smoke from a chimney, like the morning fog that settles in the valley, like a solitary cloud drifting across a vast blue sky. Thoughts may come, but they pass by just as easily, without attachment, without judgment. You simply observe them as they float on by, and slowly, gently, without any effort at all, without a single thought, you feel the gentle arms of sleep begin to close around you. It is a slow, sweet send, a release into a world of dreams and deep, restorative rest. There is nothing you need to do, nothing to figure out. Simply allow yourself to be carried away on this gentle current. The soft ticking of the clock fades into the background. The crackling of the fire becomes a distant memory. The world outside is silent, covered in a deep blanket of snow. Here, in this warm, safe cabin, you are free to let go completely. Every muscle in your body is loose and heavy. Every thought is dissolved into the peaceful silence. Your breath is a soft, steady rhythm, and gains you have come. You are sinking deeper and deeper into comfort, deeper and deeper into relaxation, deeper and deeper into sleep. This peaceful mountain, this cozy cabin, this warm fire, they are all here for you. They are your sanctuary. Allow yourself to rest now. Allow yourself to sleep, drifting, floating, resting, sleeping. Good night. Sleep well on a quiet night, far away from all the noise, far away from all the waves of the day. There was a wide, endless ocean, Imagine it now. The water is calm, incredibly still. There are no storms here, no crashing waves, no rushing ants. There is only gentle movement, so slow, so soft, so steady. The moon, full and bright, hangs in the dark sky, and its light reflects on the surface of the water, creating a lone, silver road that stretches across the sea. It looks like a path made of blue light, a path for your dreams to travel on, a path that leads you to deep and profound rest. A small wooden boat is floating on this magical water. It doesn't move much at all. It doesn't struggle or fight against the current, because there is no struggle here. It simply follows the gentle, natural rhythm of the ocean, rocking and swaying, a slow, comforting rock and sway inside this safe little boat. Imagine yourself flying down, wrapped in the softest, warmest blanket you can think of. You are looking up at the countless stars scattered across the vast night sky, each one a distant, twinkling light. You begin to notice your breath, breathing slowly and deeply, in and out, a long, peaceful breath in, and a slow, complete breath out. Feel fill your lungs, and then feel it release, carrying away any tension with it. In and out, the ocean itself seems to whisper yet. Gentle sound. Ese ja-ja-ja-ja-ja-ja. Ese ja-ja-ja-ja-ja-ja. It is like a timeless lullaby. A song that sings and for ages. It's like a soft promise, spoken just for you. You are safe here. You are floating. You can let go and rest. The sky above feels endless, a deep, bright velvet dome sparkling with diamonds. The water beneath you feels surprisingly warm and supportive. The air on you feels gentle against your skin, like a soft gaze. In this moment, nothing is asking for your attention. Nothing is demanding any effort from you. There is nothing to do, nothing to solve, nowhere to be but right here, in this perfect peace. Your body begins to feel heavy, a pleasant, comforting weight. Your limbs relax completely, sinking into the softness of the blanket. At the same time, your mind becomes light, almost weightless. Thoughts that may have been racing earlier now begin to fade away. They become like distant lights on a faraway shore, growing dimmer and dimmer. They are like quiet echoes from another time, another place, losing their power, losing their clarity. They just drift on by, without meaning to hold on to them. Sleep begins to guide, not with a sudden shock, but slowly, gently. It comes like a soft wave washing over you. It drifts in like a fluffy cloud passing overhead. It feels like a warm tide, slowly rising to carry you away. And the little wooden boat keeps floating, rocking, and swaying. It continues its gentle journey on the moonlit water, carrying you deeper and deeper, into rest, into peace, and into the most wonderful dreams. Feel the steady rhythm of the boat, rock, sway, rock, sway. It is the rhythm of your own heart, beating slowly and calmly. It is the rhythm of your own breath, deep and divine, with a very gentle rock. You let go a little more, with a very soft sway. You sink a little deeper into relaxation. The world outside this boat, with all its demands and its speed, simply melts away. It doesn't exist for you right now. Your only reality is the gentle water, the starry sky, and the profound and subsidy that surrounds you. You are held. You are supported. You are completely at peace. The moonlight filters down, not bright or harsh, but soft and silvery, bathing everything in a gentle glow. It touches your face, a cool and calming light. The blanket around you feels like a warm hug, a protective embrace that lets you know everything is okay. You can release all control. The ocean is in charge now, and it is a kind and gentle guardian. Listen to the quietness. It is not an empty silence, but a rich, full quietness. It's filled with the soft whisper of the water, the distant twinkle of the stars, and the steady beat of a peaceful heart. This quietness is healing. It allows your mind to settle, like dust settling in a still room. Your awareness stands inward, away from the world and towards the consent within you. There is a stillness there, a place of pure being that is always available to you. Right now, you are there. You are home. Session into sleep continues. Y te se descent into a soft, dark, comfortable place. There are no sharp edges here, no sudden drops. Just a smooth, gradual transition from wakefulness to slumber. Your eyelids feel heavy, so very heavy. It feels good to let them close, to shut out the light and turn your attention completely inward. Behind your closedness, you might see gentle patterns of light and shadow, dancing slowly, lulling you even further into tranquility. The small boat drifts on. It may be moving, but it feels as if you are perfectly still, and the entire universe is gently revolving around you. The stars, the moon, the sea, they are all part of this gentle, cosmic dance, and you are at a ver isn't habite. Se venturing, imagine the feeling of floating, of complete weightlessness, as if gravity itself has decided to give a break for the night. Your body is so relaxed, it almost feels like it is meshing with the air, with the water. There is no separation between you and the peace that surrounds you. You are part of the calm night. You are part of the gentle ocean. Celeste remnants of so dark like tiny bubbles rising to the surface of the water and popping, disappearing into the vastness of the night air. Pop, gone. Another one, pop, gone, leaving only clarity and yet behind. And now, there is only the feeling of being carried, the feeling of being safe, the feeling of deep, profound rest washing over you. The boat continues to float. Your faithful vessel on this journey to dreamland. It carries you onward, deeper and deeper still, into a sleep that is restorative and pure, a sleep that will recharge your body, calm your mind, and soothe your soul. Let a gentle rocking guide you all the way there. Rock and sway, into rest, into peace, into your dreams. Good night. Each new vista is more peaceful than Celeste. A continuous, unfolding tapestry of calm. The stars outside seem to multiply. A desaling canopy that stretches from one horizon to the other. You are traveling not just through a physical landscape, but through the vast, open spaces of your own inner world. A world of quiet and beauty. The journey continues, easy and unbroken. The gentle rocking, the soft sounds, the warm light, all these elements combine to create the perfect environment for sleep. Your mind is quiet now, a still and silent lake. Your body is heavy and relaxed, ready for rest. The train is your guide, leading you gently with the hand on the path to deep sleep. Let it carry you now, through the final bells of wakefulness, through the softer ways of dreams, into a night of profound peace and rejuvenation. Just listen to the sound of the wheels, click, clack, and let go. Sleep now, sleep deeply.
Free holiday. On a very quiet night, when the world was almost completely still, when even the smallest sounds seemed to fade away, there was a long, peaceful road stretching across soft green hills. This road had no name. No one remembered when it was built. No one remembered who walked on it first. It simply existed, calm/silent. Patient. The road did not hurry. It never rushed. It had all the time in the world. Above the road, the sky was wide and deep, painted in dark blue and gentle purple. Stars were scattered everywhere, like tiny diamonds resting on velvet. The moon floated quietly, slowly watching over everything below. There were no storms, no loud winds, no sharp sounds. Only stillness, only peace, only rest. Along this road, a traveler was walking. Not fast, not slow, just steady. Step, step, step. Each step was soft. Each step was easy. The traveler felt no pressure. No destination. No deadline. No worry. There was nowhere to hurry. There was nothing to fear. The road welcomed every step. With every movement, the traveler felt lighter, calmer, more relaxed. Their breathing matched the rhythm of the night. The in and out. In and out. Each breath was deep, hid. Each breath was warm. Each breath carried comfort. Round the road, fields of tall grass moved gently. Wave after wave. After wave, like a quiet ocean of green, the grass whispered softly. Not words, just sounds. Soft sounds. Sounds that said, rest. Slow down, you're safe. Nids. Nearby, small lanterns hung from wooden posts. Their light was golden and gentle. Not bright, not sharp, just enough to glow. Just enough to guide. They flickered slowly, like sleepy eyes. Blink, blink. Each lantern seemed tired, happy, content, as if it had been glowing for a very long time and was now ready to rest. The traveler smiled quietly. No big smile. No loud laugh, just a small feeling of peace. A feeling in the chest. Warm, comforting, steady. Far away, a river flowed. It did not rush, it did not splash. It simply moved. Slow, soft, steady. She. The sound was like a lullaby. A song without words. A melody without effort. The traveler stopped for a moment and listened. The river sang. The wind hummed. The grass whispered. Tea. The stars shimmered. Everything worked together. Like one gentle orchestra. Playing only one song. The song of rest. The song of sleep. The song of calm. The traveler sat down on a smooth stone beside the road. The stone was warm, comfortable, perfectly shaped, as if it had been waiting. They closed their eyes. Not tightly, not carefully, just naturally, like eyelids falling on their own. Breathing became slower, deeper, easier. In and out. In and out. Thoughts began to drift. Like clouds. Soft clouds moving slowly across the sky. No sharp edges. No heavy storms. Just floating. Just drifting. Just being. Memories appeared gently. Happy moments. Quiet moments. Simple moments. Then they faded, like mist in the morning sun. Worries tried to speak, but their voices were weak. Too weak to matter, they disappeared, like echoes in empty valleys. The traveler felt heavier, not uncomfortable, not stuck, just pleasantly heavy, like sinking into a soft mattress, like being wrapped in a warm blanket, like floating on a calm lake. The night leaned closer, like a friend, like a protector, like a gentle guardian. It whispered softly, "You can rest now. You've done enough. You are enough. You are enough. You are safe." The stars shimmered brighter for a moment. Not loudly, not suddenly, just kindly, like they were smiling. The moon lowered slightly, as if bowing, as if saying good night. The traveler's breathing became very slow, very deep, very peaceful. In and out, in and out. Heartbeats bottom, 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 each beat slower than before, each beat calmer than before. Time itself seemed to stretch. Minutes felt like gentle hours. Seconds felt like soft waves. There was no rush, no schedule, no tomorrow. Only now. Only calm, only rest. Dreams began to form. Slowly, quietly, like paintings appearing on water. Dreams of wide beaches, of warm sand, of slow sunsets. Dreams of forests, tall trees, of soft moss. Dreams of floating, of flying, of drifting through clouds. Safe, protected, comfortable. The traveler no longer felt the stone, no longer felt the road, no longer felt the night. Only softness, only peace, only sleep. The lanterns dimmed slightly. The river whispered more quietly. The wind slowed its breath. Everything prepared for rest. The world itself was going to sleep, and the traveler followed. Deeper, softer, further into calm, further into dreams, further into comfort. No noise, no fear, no stress, only warmth, only safety, only endless rest. And somewhere, far beyond thought, far beyond worry, far beyond time, sleep continued. Like a gentle ocean, like a soft cloud, like a quiet promise, holding you, protecting you, resting you, until morning, until light, or day, until you are ready.